Hey guys, welcome back. This is Tim from Tim's Electronics Lab, and today we've got a very special device on the video. It's broken, and I was always interested in what it's like, what the inside's like of the device. So it comes in a really nice bag. So let's open it. There you go. It's a blood pressure meter. But this one has got a problem, namely that the on, off and start button doesn't work anymore. So we are going to try to fix that. Let me clean it first, and let me show you the problem. Now, of course, plug the DC jack into a wall outlet, and there you go. So there is voltage on the thing, because if you press this button, you can't hear the button click. Yeah, a bit, but not like this one. And as you can see, it powers on. There is. Are you able to see that? There you go. So there you go. Yeah, the thing, the start button doesn't work. So we're going to open it, and we're going to fix it. Hopefully. Let me unplug the device. That's the. Oh yeah, that is the right one. So first things first. Let's take out the screws. Now it's useless to say, or needless to say, that if you open this, your warranty will be void. So, but it's a few years old. So yeah, no problem. Come on, go out. Oh, alright. And we do it this way. It doesn't want to go out. There you go, it's out. Alright, so now the opening of the device is rather tricky. There are a few clips on the inside that you need to unclip, obviously. And to reach them, you need to kind of pry open the thing, and then hopefully with your tongue, there you go, with your tongue at the right angle. That's one side, and that's the other side. So now there is a seal here. You need to break that, of course, otherwise you aren't able to get in. And there you go, there is the inside of the device. And nice big screen. And let's see, that's a Freescale processor, I think. I'm not sure, but if you listen to the, oh wow, this is the heart rate pressure meter thing. But if you listen to these button clicks, and then the faulty one, you know, there's almost no click there. So yeah, let's take out that dollar board with the button on it. Nice. Okay, cool. So we need these for solder pads to be desoldered. Now I've already heated up my soldering iron, so I think we're ready to go. So that's good. That's nice. So let's use some solder wick to try and remove the solder. Let's smell this.
is something on the PCB, and I'm not really sure what it is. This bunch, I guess. Oh, that didn't work. Solder fell all over it. No, just clean my solder iron afterwards. Now, I think we need to apply some solder in order to get the solder to flow, but it shouldn't be any problem. Alright, cool, so that's one. And let's do the other one.
Again, this needs to flow for the solder to, you need to add some solder for the solder to flow. But that's normal, I guess, on solder pads that haven't been soldered to in a long time. So yeah. Alright. So try number 2. Ooh. Come on. That's hot.
Of course. There you go. That's not all the solder, but hey. Better than nothing. Alright. So, these are... Alright, I think I'm going to use my solder sucker. And empty it first. Alright, so, solder sucker. So, hopefully, if we do the solder weight again, we should have more success. Nope, we don't. It's a good soldering sucker, but sometimes the solder gets stuck in the nozzle of the sucker, and it won't suck anymore. That's what it needs to stay down. This one. Like that. So now we should have unsoldered most of the things. So let me get my heat gun. I'm going to actually try to extract the button from the PCB. Now I think the PCB needs some cleaning when we're done. Yeah, what the fuck?
Oh, that's one side. Yeah. The other side isn't planning on going yet. Yeah, there you go. So that is one button. Nice. Now I'm hoping that the button I'm going to replace it with is the same kind of button, and it definitely looks like it is. It could be from the same manufacturing place, but that's good, that's nice, that's alright. So this is the previous button, and this is the new one. So let's clean the PCB first, because it's a huge mess right now. Alcohol. that. And of course the PCB is still hot, so all the alcohol, well, most of the alcohol evaporates. But as you can see, it does work. So a bit more alcohol. And nice and clean PCB. Other side as well. Like that. Alright, so now we need to straighten out the pins. And final one, and check whether it will actually fit inside the footprint, and it looks like it will. So that's a plus. So of course it isn't going in properly because of the solder at the other side. So I'll grab my soldering iron again and whoop, let's start to solder. So that's one. Cool. I have my fine solder, not the big one. And solder the button to the device. Now this is lead-free solder. And it's a very high quality lead-free solder. I ordered some lead-free solder from Banggood, and it was a total disaster. It wasn't flowing, and when it flowed and you know, solidified, cracks were shown and all that things. It wasn't bonding properly as well to the PCB. Alright, so that's nice. Now wait for it to cool down, and oh, actually we can use the other side of the alcohol stick. And put some extra alcohol on it and clean it off like that. So nice and clean. Alright, cool. Let's put it back together then, shall we? So insert the button into the holes like that. Insert the screen. Now I'm not going to put on the cover yet. I'll first test it to make sure that it actually works, because it's a it's a nightmare to open it. So let's insert the power to it. Alright. Hey, that's cool. We've got a working power button again, so that's nice. Let's put it back, put the case back on, of course without the wires showing up over the display. And without any spots under the display. Actually get a cloth. Microfiber cloth to clean the inside a little. Like that. So. Oh, there was still some juice left in the device because it temporarily turned on. Oh, there's one little spot. Well, we have to just deal with that. You know, it's you win some, you lose some. So let's attach the wristband or the armband, and let's check if it works again.
Now I'm not doing this properly. I'm doing it here, and you should do it further up. Let's do it this way, but that doesn't matter. It's just for testing purposes. So
Turn it on. And now the important thing is I'm not allowed to talk. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's the date. Yeah, sure. Start. Cool. Alright. So, I think that is a pretty accurate reading, because I went to the doctor last week and it was about the same. That is good. So, thanks for watching this repair video. If you got a device like this and the power button doesn't work, now you know how to repair it. So, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. Make sure to leave a comment down below. You can also share this video with your friends if you think they will like it too. See you next time.